So one important thing to understand about Excel charts is that they remain connected to their original data source. This means that whatever the data in the worksheet changes, whenever the data in the worksheet changes, the chart automatically updates to reflect those changes. So let's see how this works. First, I'll select the chart by clicking on the border. When the chart is selected, you will notice colored outlines appearing around different areas of the worksheet. These outline indicate the cell in the Excel currently using to generate the chart. So if you can see different outlines, for example, one outline may highlight the category labels, another may highlight the month names, and another may highlight the numerical values used in the chart. So these colored ranges help us identify the chart's data source. Now let's make a change to one of the value in the worksheet. Suppose the car payment for February was entered incorrectly. Instead of 450, let's change it to 5,000. So as soon as I press enter, notice that chart updates automatically. This demonstrates that the chart is directly linked to the data, worksheet data. Whenever the underlying data changes, the chart changes as well. I'll undo that change and return to the value of its original amount. So in addition to updating automatically, Excel also allows us to modify the data source used by the chart. For example, the chart currently displays data for multiple months. However, we may decide that we only want to compare data for February and March. To do this, select the chart and then open chart design tab. Then click on the select data and then select the data source. The select data source dialog box will appear. Here, Excel displays the cell ranging different range currently being used in the chart. In this example, the chart is using data from cell B4 to G9. If we want to display fewer months, we can simply change the selected range. For example, we can modify the range so that it only includes February and March. I'll set it and select February and March. And after clicking OK, Excel immediately updates the chart to reflect the new data source. As you can see, changing the data source allows us to control exactly which information appears in the chart. To summarize, Excel charts are dynamically linked to the worksheet data. Any changes made to the data are automatically reflected in the chart, and the select data option also allows us to modify the range of the data being displayed whenever needed. Try selecting your chart, opening the select data window, and experimenting with different data ranges to see how the chart responds. Thank you.